Namaste and welcome. Today we will be doing some autumn nails. Is it too early to do autumn nails? I don't know, but I'm still gonna do it. So I'll start off with the peel off base coat. This is the ready to take off. I think that's what it's called. You can use any top coat you would like. I just like to collect my peelies. So there we go. Then I'm using this cheap nail polish from Amazon. They came in a set of 25 and they don't have any shade names or anything. And guess what we have here? A brand new bottle of liquid latex. So that's what we will do. Then I'm using the Autumn 01 from Lena stamping plates, this MDO stamping polish and this stamper. So all you have to do is just apply a little bit of the stamping polish, scrape it and then stamp it. That's it. Now let's just remove the liquid latex and do some cleanup. There isn't much cleanup to do, but yeah, just a little bit. Then we have some really pretty this brownish reddish hollow powder from Bon Petit store. So what I'm gonna do is I will be using a sponge to buff that glitter or powder in a clear jelly stamper, and then I will be stamping that on my nail. It's kind of easier to do this way, and I just did 2 coats of that. I saw someone on Instagram do it. Then to finish everything off, I'm gonna use some HK Girl top coat, and yeah, we are basically done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can subscribe here and I will see you guys in my next one. Namaste.